Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I'm going to show you quick projects that you can use as Christmas presents. Some of them super quick, 5 minutes, maybe some others, maybe a half an hour or more. Very beginner type projects. So let's take a look at some of these right now. This is a bookmark. So easy to make. And this is a little hair scrunchie. Make it out of any fabric that you like. And this is a headband. And this is just one of many tutorials that I have on headbands. Now, when you see these items and there's something you're interested in making, to get to the links, you need to scroll down below your YouTube screen to the description section. Click on the words "Show More" or the down arrow, and it will expand open and you will begin to see the links appearing. Now, these are some really simple projects that you can use for putting your drinks on it. This is called a mug rug, and this is the back of it. And then these are drink coasters. This one has a little bit of a border on the edge, and this one is really simple to make. Here are some pillowcases. Now, these are very basic beginner projects and maybe take about 10 minutes to do. You can make them out of any cotton fabric that you like. This is a novelty fabric with Minnie Mouse on it, so you can make it for children. You can also make it for adults and even just take a couple of more minutes and put a simple border on it. These are gift card holders. They're really easy to make, and after they've opened it up and used the gift card, they can also use it to maybe put little business cards in it if they like. And it's just got a snap closure. There's the opening for your gift card. Really simple, only a few minutes to make. Here are some other little pouches that you can make either to hold money or coins or gift cards, whatever you want to put in it. This is a round one, and you can even add a keychain to it if you like, and it has a zipper down the front. Now, those of you who are beginners, don't be afraid of this zipper. Real easy to put this one in. And here's another one. You can put like a gift certificate or gift card in it, or even maybe a little cash. They may like that. And then this is just a little tiny zipper pouch. And then this is a snap bag. You just pull these apart and then it snaps closed. And then this is another little one that you can use, and it's got places to put cards in it, a little bit of cash. There's 3 different compartments inside of this. So these are simple projects, not too long to make. This is a little personal tissue holder. So there's the tissue inside of it. And what you could do, besides just making this, is you could make a matching zipper pouch along with the tissue holder. Make it out of the same fabric, and it makes a nice little gift set. This is an elastic pencil case. So it has a zipper down the front, and then it has a piece of elastic so that you can attach it to the front of a book. Now, you can make this any size length of elastic you want. Now, here is a book cover. It snaps closed, and you can put a little cover on it, and this is for a little day calendar. This is probably one of the fastest projects I have, and it's just this cute little rounded baby bib. Now, I used flannel on this. You can also put different flannel on the back if you want, just to give it a different look. And it has just a little strip of bias tape up at the top so that you can tie it around the little one's neck. This is a little shoulder bag that you can put over your shoulder. It's made out of 2 fat quarters and very fast to make. A real beginner's project. It has a snap closure, and then there's an area inside to hold your small items. This is a really nice gift for someone who lives in really cold climate, and that is this fleece neck warmer. And it has this fuzzy stuff on the inside. And what's nice about it is you can push it down just to the neck, and on those super cold moments you can actually pull it up over your nose, and you can make it to fit anyone. Now here is an infinity scarf, and I like to make a lot of the scarves out of a stretch knit or even a little chiffon type fabric. And then here is a fleece hat. This is so easy to make with a little fringe on there. And then you can make a matching neck scarf, and you can make it any size you want. Then this is another neck scarf, and this is made out of Joann's Platitude fabrics, and it's just got one seam in it, and I show you a simple technique for adding the little fringe, a real beginner's project. You might be invited to someone's home where you would like to bring a hostess gift to someone. So this is just a wire basket, this white wire basket I purchased from Walmart. Then I made a basket liner, and it's two-sided. Now you can make it out of holiday fabric or for any occasion, and then you can add some baked goods in it and present it to them as a gift. This is a really simple towel apron. Probably it'll take you 10 to 15 minutes to make. You can add a strip of this extra wide rickrack, add a little ribbon to tie around the edges. Very fast. If you really are in a hurry to get something done really fast, I like semi-homemade projects. So I purchased the oven mitt and pot holder set. It actually came with 2 pot holders. I cut this little flower design out in a circular pattern and then stitched it on. And I did the same thing to the pot holder. Then I took it a step further. So let me show you what I made. I happened to have found a towel the same color as the pot holder and oven mitt that matched it. They were right next to each other. So I purchased it, and then I cut out a flower out of fabric and stitched around the edges. Then I added these little prairie points. These are so easy to make, it's almost laughable how easy they are. And then you can make other decorative towels. So you can start out with semi-homemade and then add on to it. These are about 15-minute projects, the towels. Here's another semi-homemade project. This is a placemat by Pioneer Woman, and you can get it at Walmart. All I did was add the red rickrack along the edges. So let me show you what else I did. I also bought the package of napkins that went with it and made napkin rings to go with the placemat and the napkins. And the Pioneer Woman collection also had the kitchen towel, so I added this border down at the bottom. And here's another super quick project. This is also another set of Pioneer Woman napkins. And all I did on one edge was add this little decorative ribbon. Now it's polyester ribbon, so it's washable. So think about semi-homemade gifts. Now, if you're looking for projects that maybe you have older children and they would like to sew something, you could do a little sachet bag. Really simple to make. It's got some ribbon to hold it up at the top. You can put whatever scented item you want inside of it. This is a really simple pin cushion right here. This is what it looks like on the back. Here's another pin cushion. And I really like this one. This has a little loop, so if you wanted to hang it on the wall, maybe you want to use it near your sewing table. And then here's another just absolutely beautiful pin cushion. Well, I certainly hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that I've inspired you to try making some of these. Now remember, all the links are listed below your YouTube screen in the description section. Now don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends, and make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny. See you next time.